Welcome back. This is the applicant pre-certification training session for tax credit only properties. You might ask, well, so why would I want to make a pre-cert? Well, here are some reasons why making a pre-cert is to your good advantage. The certification form qualifies them for occupancy. If your property is also a HUD property, then you should exit this training session and go to the HUD training session and make a HUD pre-certification, as when you make a HUD cert, the tax credit tick is made automatically. If you make this cert here in the tick, MultiSite will test for income and rent qualification. Also, move-ins are a breeze. For example, an applicant says they will move in on Saturday morning at 9 a.m. If you don't make a pre-cert, you will not have anything for them to sign. Therefore, if you want them to sign the certification, you would have to move them in MultiSite software to get a cert for them to sign. But MultiSite won't let you move a tenant in the future, so you would have to do it Saturday morning before they got there. And if you move them in and then they don't show up, what do? You'd have to move them in and then move them out the same day. PreCert solves this problem. Make a PreCert and print it out with the whole package, and if your tenant shows up, just have them sign it, and then you can do a copy to move in later. Also, the information gathered on the tick can be used for your waiting list. There are other reasons, I just can't remember them right now. Alright, let's get started. I have open the tax credit module. First thing I'm going to do is click the Applicants Group sidebar over here on the left. And then I'm going to click the View Applicants. I'm going to assume that you've already entered some applicants, just to make this shorter because we've got an application training session also. I'm going to click on the first name in the list here, and then I'm going to double click on it so the application form will open. The application form is open, and the application date is whatever it was that you entered in when you entered the applicant. Now notice down at the bottom there's a new pre-cert button. I'm going to click that to open up the tick form. This cert date is the date that you expect them to move in. If you don't know what date they're going to move in, just put a reasonable date in there. I press the enter form. My property shows up. I press enter again. I press enter one more time, and guess what? I don't have any damn things.